So why did I just spend 3 days of my life painting a massive portrait of my own head on a wall? Was it for a viral video? Was it for the likes? Or was it just me trying to remember what it feels like to be an artist again? This one goes deeper than most people realise. Lately, social media has had me feeling like a dancing bear, everyone waiting for the next piece, so I keep dancing. I'm painting the popular stuff to get sales, to get that video that pops, to get the followers, the future jobs, and somewhere in all that noise, you lose the very reason you create in the first place. You're churning out content because if you stop, you disappear. Well, this one is for me. One man, one wall, and a load of spray paint. No original to sell, no prints to make, just a piece created for one reason: self-development. As an artist, it's easy to get trapped trying to beat an algorithm. Everything starts to look the same and standing out becomes impossible. And as a consumer in this mad age, it's more important than ever to support local. Because art is more than something pretty for your wall. It's someone's blood, sweat, and sleepless nights laid bare so you can see a little deeper into their soul. Artists create for fun, create because you care, and most importantly, create for the love of it. There's nothing right or wrong, no good or bad. There's just your vision and a blank canvas. Now go make a mess. Have an amazing Christmas, guys. Peace. Pops.